Hi guys, Margaret here, aka Margarts, with a new edition of Printable Finds. The first one for 2026, but I believe it's the 11th in the series. So I have a lot of new things to print. I have a lot of things waiting to be printed that you've seen in previous videos. So the 100-day project is starting on Instagram, is starting on, I believe, February 22nd. So again, I'll be, doing a lot of new printing, and hopefully you'll follow along. It's a lot of fun. So let me clear the deck a little bit, and we'll get cracking. This came all taped together, and honestly, I was like, I didn't even know what this was. And somebody said to me, oh, it looks like a perfume wand. So let's cut it open and see. But I bought it. I bought this. Oh, the whole three pieces. Let me see. It was $10 with 30% off. This one's actually crystal. So I bought. This was just such a beautiful shape. I love the edges. It has a floral thing. Has a beautiful flower on the bottom with a beautiful ridged edge. So that alone. And I was curious about the. I'm guessing these are some sort of coasters. They look like a nice size if you want to print ornaments, which I do. Let's see. I wonder if there's 4 of them too. If I actually ever entertain, it would be a classy little addition. Okay, if I can ever get them apart. Okay, oh, it looks like a nice pattern on the bottom. Let's see if we can get one. You see those? Yeah, that looks pretty. Oh, it looks like a beautiful pattern for a Christmas ornament. Okay, and this is as pretty as I thought it would be. You see that? That's gorgeous. Okay, so that'll make a nice print going around. So, yeah, $10, 30% off. I don't know what I'll do with this, but it's pretty. So, all right, that's that. Okay, this is another thing. This is dopey of me. This is 50 cents, so how could I go wrong? And you see it? I thought it was a little jar. Turns out I think it's a stopper for something. But I'm hoping that this had a nice little pattern underneath the label, which I guess we'll see when we get the label off. But it looked like a nice thing. It would make a nice little stamp. Plus, everyone knows I just can't resist what I thought was like a little bottle. But you take this off of it, you can always stick something in it. Okay, that's a good one. I think this was a set. Is that pretty? So at the top, I don't know the top really isn't of any use to me, but it's pretty. But I bought it for the bottom. The set was $4. It has, again, a beautiful flower shape. So that'll be very pretty. So, okay, that's that. All right. Oh, and I have a glass plate and a glass platter. This one was $4. It's pretty. You can see it has nice floral around the edge and a nice pattern with a flower in the center there. So this is a pretty one. $4, 30% off. And this one's heavy. I really like this. It's a more geometric. It's just, as you can see, nice patterns going around it. This was $8, but again, 30% off. So you can't really go wrong. Okay, I think that's all the glass. I went into Goodwill and I saw this dress hanging there. Isn't that beautiful? Well, beautiful for printing. I don't know that, So a lot of nice large printing areas. So I'll cut this up, and I'm really excited to play with this. Doilies, which I don't know that we're going to be able to see. Oh yeah, you can see them. These I didn't buy these recently. These I dug out of the closet. I've had for probably 20 years. So these will be getting printed. Okay. Then this, I went into a quilting store to buy thread, and I saw this mesh, which I will make like a vegetable bag out of or something. But first I'll print some of it. It's just such a nice texture. How could I go wrong with that? All right. And another placemat. And, I love my placemats, so you can't go wrong. Everyone, you probably think, oh, she's got a million of them. They all look alike, but they all print differently. It's like printing an apple or a pear, or every time you think it's the same, it's the same thing, but they always print differently. So always good to have. Okay. This is how could I resist this for so many reasons? A nice little square holes, $3, 30% off. And a great, great, great pattern. That'll be good. Oh, this one I just got today. And I used printing it as an excuse just to buy it. But, you know, I love orange. How could I resist an orange pot? So $3, 30% off. I will print it, but I will use it afterwards. Nice look. I just thought this was a nice, you know, design. Okay. Oh, pair of glasses. The glasses I always print my sunglass prints with broke. And every time I walk the dog, I was passing these. It's like in a little grassy area. And somebody lost their glasses. I kept passing them by. And one day I just said, oh, let me just pick them up and bring them home. So bring them home, wash them off. There they go. Okay. Oh, I got a new, I think I say this every time. I got a new potato masher. Add to the collection. So I have one in the last video, which I haven't printed yet. So maybe I'll do a mashup of all my mashers. Okay, 50 cents, 30% off. And I thought this was, I'm not quite sure what this is for. Cooking, obviously, of some sort. I get it's some kind of grill pan, I guess. But I love the design. Just absolutely love that. So, $4, 30% off. I figured, how could I possibly go wrong? Okay. And I spotted these. So, it's a great, just, again, a great simple geometric pattern. Always good for my piecing. There's no price on these. I bought them in Target, so I didn't get them on sale. I didn't get a great deal, I'm sure, but, you know, they'll be fun. These I got, Goodwill. I'm sorry, I'm drawing a complete blank. Senior moment. Little hearts, perfect timing for Valentine's Day. And 50 cents. These were each 50 cents. This is great. It has two sides. Everybody knows I love the dots. So dots on one side and nice little rectangular shape on the other. So these will be a lot of fun. And I like small pieces because I do a lot of piecing. I bought this today, $2 for a rolling pin, 30% off. But I plan on like wrapping string around it or doing something like that. And then I can just print easy peasy, hopefully. Okay, and I have finished it off with 2 bins. Again, just a simple pattern and something I can use afterwards, $2. Can't go wrong. And then this one, this is the last thing. I just, how could I resist this? Look at the dots, you know, big to small. And I lucked out. It didn't have a price on it. And when you're in Goodwill, if it doesn't have a price, they won't give it to you. You have to leave it, you know. Hopefully it'll be there the next time. But they happened to price it up for me right then and there. So $3, 30% off. So it was a good find, a good day at Goodwill. So, okay, that's I think that's everything for the first installment. And like I said, tune in for the 100-day project. I'd love to have you follow along. And happy printing. Till next time.